Welcome to Sitaram, transmission manufacturer and exporter of sprockets, flanges, gear shafts, and pulleys. The company was established in 2010 at Ahmedabad. Highly sophisticated infrastructure helps us to cater Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Cutting-edge technology and experienced R&D department help us to serve automobile, cement, and textile industries. Transmissions, sprockets, chain, and gear couplings are some of our products. Our organization is known for offering high-quality flexible couplings and transmission chains. We are offering our clients with an impeccable range of V-belt transmission pulleys and transmission gears. Gear shafts, rack, and pinions offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. Backed by profound industry experience, we have been engaged in offering a vast variety of caster and MS trolley wheels. We are specialized in offering CNC components, parts, industrial gear, and accessories. For more information, log on at www.transmissionsprockets.com.